Have you ever thought you could earn money by watching videos? Yes, you heard it right. It's not a fantasy, but a reality in the digital age we're living in. Today, we'll unravel the secrets of this seemingly magical process. Step 1. Set up an account. You can't start earning until you have an account, right? So the first step is to sign up for an account on a platform that pays for watching videos. There are a plethora of such platforms out there, including Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and MyPoints, to name a few. Step 2. Choose your niche. What interests you? Cooking, traveling, DIY crafts? There's a video for every interest. Choose a niche that captivates you. This way, you're not just earning money, but also enjoying the process. Step 3. Watch and earn. Once you have your account set up and you've chosen your niche, it's time to start watching videos. These platforms pay you a certain amount for every video you watch. It may not be a gold mine, but hey, every bit counts. Step 4. Be consistent. The key to earning a substantial amount is consistency. The more videos you watch, the more you earn. So make it a habit. Set aside some time each day to watch a few videos. Step 5. Cash out your earnings. After you've accumulated a certain amount, you can cash out your earnings. Each platform has its own minimum payout threshold, so make sure to check that out. So, to sum up, earning money by watching videos involves 5 simple steps: setting up an account, choosing your niche, watching videos, being consistent, and cashing out your earnings. It's a fun and easy way to make some extra cash. And the best part, you can do it from the comfort of your own home. Remember, the key to success in this venture is consistency. The more consistent you are, the more you earn. It's not just about the money, though. It's also about enjoying what you do. So, choose a niche that interests you and let the journey begin. So next time someone tells you that you're wasting your time watching videos, tell them you're actually making money doing it. Who knew that watching videos could be so rewarding? Welcome to the digital age, where the impossible becomes possible.